Are you looking for a remote job with flexibility or overnight shifts that suit your lifestyle? In today's digital world, there are endless possibilities for remote work that not only provide flexibility, but also cater to those needing unconventional hours. These 7 work-from-home jobs have been carefully selected to offer legitimate opportunities with either flexible or overnight options, and sometimes both. Most are accessible even for those without extensive experience. Let's dive in and see which role might be your perfect fit. First on my list is a donations coordinator. Make a lasting impact. As a donations coordinator, you play a profound role by helping connect families of donors with recipients in need. Typically working with organ procurement organizations, donations coordinators reach out to potential donors and families, guiding them through the process of organ or tissue donation. This role requires a high level of emotional intelligence and sensitivity, as you'll be navigating conversations during emotional times. Estimated salary: around $40,000 to $58,000 annually, depending on the organization and region. Responsibilities: your main responsibility is to facilitate communication between donor families and OPOs, ensuring that the donation process is handled smoothly and respectfully. You may work with medical professionals, manage donor documentation, and support grieving families in honoring their loved ones through the gift of life. Skills needed: empathy and emotional intelligence, handling sensitive conversations and providing support with compassion. Strong communication: clear verbal and written communication to discuss donation options and medical details. Attention to detail: accuracy in documentation is essential for compliance and coordination with medical professionals. Getting started: look up positions on organ procurement organizations, websites, or hospital networks. Many organizations like Buckeye Transplant offer specific roles like transplant coordinator, where you can gain hands-on experience. Training is often provided by the employer, so you can start without extensive medical knowledge. Pros: meaningful and impactful work, often remote with flexible scheduling, provides experience valuable for a healthcare career. Cons: emotionally demanding. Communication skills are essential for handling sensitive situations. I give this an opportunity score of 8 out of 10. This is a rewarding role with a stable starting salary and good career growth potential in healthcare. Next up is a strategy guide writer, a dream job for gamers. Imagine being paid to play and write about video games. As a strategy guide writer, you would create guides, tips, and walkthroughs to help other players succeed. This job is perfect for someone who loves gaming and has a flair for writing. Many gaming sites hire freelancers and full-time writers to craft guides for new and popular games. Estimated salary: between $45,000 and $80,000 annually, or on a per-article basis as a freelancer. Responsibilities: you'll be responsible for playing video games, mastering their strategies, and creating comprehensive guides that help players overcome challenges. Writing content that's SEO-friendly to maximize visibility online is crucial, as is ensuring the information is accurate and up-to-date. Skills needed: strong writing skills, ability to write clear, engaging content. Deep game knowledge: a strong understanding of video game mechanics, storylines, and strategies. SEO knowledge: knowing how to optimize content to reach the target audience through search engines. Getting started: check out sites like GameRant and IGN. Freelance sites like Upwork also have opportunities for gaming writers. Be prepared to submit writing samples or a gaming portfolio that showcases your expertise. Pros: work on a flexible schedule from home. Get paid for doing what you love. Opportunities to build a portfolio and expand into the growing gaming industry. Cons: competitive field with limited openings. Deadlines and accuracy are crucial. Requires extensive gaming experience. Opportunity score: 6.5 out of 10. Perfect for passionate gamers, but competitive with limited full-time opportunities. Next is a user experience specialist/customer experience specialist, enhancing customer satisfaction. In the digital age, ensuring a smooth customer journey is paramount, and that's where a user experience specialist or customer experience specialist comes in. You'd be the bridge between customers and tech companies, helping users navigate new software, troubleshoot issues, and provide feedback to the development team. Estimated salary: around $57,000 to $100,000 annually. Responsibilities: you'll help customers understand and engage with the product, addressing any issues and collecting feedback that can be relayed to the development team for product improvements. Often, this role involves a mix of customer service and UX design, and you'll work closely with both customers and product teams. Skills needed: communication and problem solving, ability to listen, troubleshoot issues, and explain technical concepts in an accessible way. Technical skills. Familiarity with tech tools and products you'll be supporting. Empathy, patience, and a customer-centered approach. Getting started. Look for positions on job boards using terms like customer experience specialist or user experience specialist. Check companies with a strong online product presence, as they are likely to need skilled customer support. Pros. Growing field with high demand. Excellent pay. Invaluable experience in tech and customer service. Cons. Requires solid tech knowledge of the product. Customer service can be challenging. May require quick adaptability to new products or updates. Opportunity score, 9 out of 10. Excellent salary and room for advancement in a high-demand industry. Next on my list is a Medicare benefits consultant, guiding seniors through healthcare. This is a role where you truly help people, particularly seniors, by guiding them through the confusing world of Medicare. As a Medicare benefits consultant, you'll educate and assist clients in selecting healthcare plans that meet their needs and reduce their medical expenses. This job is essential for those unfamiliar with the healthcare system. Estimated salary, between $78,000 and $138,000 annually. Responsibilities, you'll analyze Medicare options, educate clients on their choices, and assist with enrollment. This role also involves sales skills, as you may guide customers toward plans that best meet their needs while fulfilling company goals. Skills needed. Sales and people skills. Ability to guide and persuade clients without being overly sales-focused. Knowledge of Medicare policies. Understanding of healthcare systems and Medicare plans. Empathy and patience. Essential for helping seniors and other clients make sense of complex information. Getting started. Many companies provide training and may cover the cost of licensing, like a resident health license. Look for positions with companies that specialize in healthcare and Medicare services. Pros. High earning potential. Rewarding work that makes a difference in people's lives. Often, no prior sales experience required. Cons. Requires licensing and certification. Can be emotionally demanding due to sensitive client interactions. I give this one an opportunity score of 9.5 out of 10. High salary, rewarding, and offers substantial career growth potential in healthcare. The next opportunity is a bilingual marketing assistant. Multilingual marketing for a global reach. If you're fluent in multiple languages, becoming a bilingual marketing assistant is a great way to leverage your skills. You'll assist companies in creating content for a diverse audience, often managing social media, creating posts, and engaging with followers across different languages. Estimated salary, around $45,000 to $66,000 annually. Responsibilities. In this role, you'll create and manage content, respond to customer inquiries, and potentially even develop marketing campaigns in multiple languages. Being social media savvy and adaptable to various audiences is key. Skills needed. Language proficiency. Bilingual skills to communicate fluently in 2 or more languages. Social media skills. Ability to create engaging content for social platforms. Communication skills. Clear, concise writing for varied audiences. Getting started. Look for roles on job boards where companies are targeting diverse language markets. Spanish and English fluency is often highly valued in US-based companies. Pros. Strong experience in digital marketing. Allows you to enhance your language skills. Potential for growth in global marketing roles. Cons. Entry-level pay may be on the lower side. Can involve repetitive social media work. Opportunity score, 8.5 out of 10. Ideal for bilinguals with a passion for social media and marketing. Next, service request processor. The link between customers and service teams. A service request processor serves as the main contact for customer maintenance requests. You'll process incoming service requests, coordinate urgent repairs, and track progress. This is a good fit for people who enjoy organizing and keeping track of tasks. Estimated salary, around $40,000 to $61,000 annually. Responsibilities, process requests from customers, dispatch maintenance teams, and follow up to ensure service completion. Often this role requires strong organization and communication, as you may need to prioritize emergency requests. Skills needed, organizational skills, ability to track and prioritize multiple requests, communication, relaying information accurately to both customers and service teams, multitasking, handling multiple requests simultaneously. Getting started. Check job boards for companies with large facilities or property management needs. Experience in customer service can be beneficial. Pros, stable. Full-time role. Defined tasks and responsibilities. Remote-friendly with some flexibility. Cons. Repetitive tasks may not appeal to everyone. Requires strict adherence to schedules. Opportunity score, 7.5 out of 10. It's stable and straightforward, perfect for organized individuals. And the final opportunity on my list is an agent support specialist. Night owl, role in asset recovery. An agent support specialist in the repossession industry coordinates with field agents who retrieve assets, like rental cars. This role may involve late-night hours due to the nature of the work and is ideal for people who don't mind unconventional schedules. Estimated salary, around $41,000 to $58,000 annually. Responsibilities, manage communication with field agents, track asset recovery progress, and assist in coordinating logistics. This role requires problem-solving skills and an ability to work independently. Skills needed: communication skills, clear communication with agents and clients, organization, ability to manage schedules and recoveries, independence, comfortable working without close supervision. Getting started: look for asset recovery companies or car rental agencies. Entry-level experience in customer service or logistics is helpful. Pros: flexible hours with overnight shifts, fast-paced with varied responsibilities, remote-friendly. Cons: overnight work can be challenging on sleep, requires handling difficult or irate customers. Opportunity score, 7 out of 10. A flexible option for night owls comfortable with an unpredictable schedule. Each of these jobs offers unique benefits and challenges, and the flexibility they offer makes them appealing to a variety of lifestyles and skill sets. Whether you're looking for a role with a high opportunity score, a chance to make a difference, or simply a way to leverage your specific talents, there's something on this list for you. Thanks for watching. I hope you loved this How to Make Money video and found the content interesting and informative. Please like and leave a comment and your questions below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.